सकता है। सुबह के 8 बजे हैं। ये श्रीलंका ब्रॉडकास्टिंग कॉर्पोरेशन का विदेशी भाग है। अब हमारे पास एक और विशेष व्यक्ति की ओर से एक बधाई संदेश है। कौंसल जनरल ऑफ श्रीलंका श्रीमती प्रियंका विक्रमसिंह।
Ayubowan and greetings from Mumbai. I'm Priyanka Vikramasinghe, Consul General of Sri Lanka in Mumbai. As the Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation celebrates the 75th year of the Asia Hindi Service, I'm speaking to you as Sri Lanka's chief diplomat in the city of Mumbai, looking after the interests of our country in the western states of India, which include Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Goa. The 1950s become important in understanding the bond between Sri Lanka and particularly Mumbai, as well as India more generally. The Asia Hindi Service itself began in 1951. Radio Ceylon, as the Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation was then known, played an instrumental role in building what I would call a bridge of melodies. When All India Radio restricted film music at that time, Radio Ceylon opened its doors and airwaves to the magic of Bollywood. For decades, the voice of the legendary Amin Sayani from Mumbai, through the iconic radio program Binaka Geetmala, didn't just broadcast Bollywood songs, but also a shared culture. From the studios in Colombo to the bustling chawls and bungalows of Mumbai and elsewhere in India and South Asia more broadly, the SLBC became the primary vehicle for the legendary voices of Lata Mangeshkar, Mohammad Rafi, and Kishore Kumar, among others. It showed how a small radio station from a small country can have considerable international reach when there was vision. The Asia Hindi Service simply didn't play the music of Mumbai or India. Instead, it helped curate the soundtrack of countless lives across borders. What was achieved went far beyond the airwaves. At one level, the Asia Hindi Service and Binaka Geetmala in particular created an avenue for cultural exchange. Radio Ceylon's broadcasters like Mr. Sayani became household names in India, and Indian artists found a second home in the studios of Radio Ceylon. This was also the beginning of the popularization of Hindi and particularly Bollywood songs in Sri Lanka's popular culture, even though Hindi is not spoken in our country. Given that Binaka Geetmala was initiated by Radio Ceylon with a viable sponsor, a model that continued over decades, it also seems to me this service laid the groundwork for the modern advertising and media landscapes that we see today in both countries. Historically, I think even as technology has shifted from shortwave to digital streams, the emotional frequency remains the same, which we must use creatively. As we mark the Diamond Jubilee of the Asia Hindi Service, we aren't just celebrating 75 years of broadcasting. We are also celebrating 75 years of listening to one another and understanding culture across the ocean. This goes way beyond politics. In an era of digital noise, the SLBC Asia Hindi Service remains a testament to the fact that a simple signal from across the ocean can build a bridge that lasts a lifetime. The airwaves of SLBC continue to carry messages of peace, music, and a friendship that is as timeless as a classic melody. I hope that in times to come, the Asia Hindi Service and SLBC can work on the vast soft power diplomacy and commercial potential that radio still holds, underpinned by a nostalgia for a bygone era, to recreate the service's success throughout South Asia in the 1950s, 60s, and 70s for the rest of this century.
कली थी बड़ी लजीली, किसी चमन में अकेली। एक कली थी बड़ी लजीली, किसी चमन में अकेली। आज खिल के वो फूल बन गई, आज खिल के वो फूल बन गई। चमन में है खलबली। एक कली थी बड़ी लजीली, किसी चमन में अकेली। यौवन की किरणें सुनहली, अंग अंग लहराई। जीवन की बगिया नवेली, संग संग मुस्काई। खिली कली की महक लिए, हवा चली हर गली। एक कली थी बड़ी लजीली, किसी चमन में अकेली। आज खिल के वो फूल बन गई, चमन में है खलबली। एक कली थी बड़ी लजीली, किसी चमन में अकेली। झूमते आए भंवरों का, चमन में है गुंजन। प्यार भरे तेरे दिल की कली, किसे करे अर्पण। मेरी दुआ है तेरा चमन सदा रहे रोशन। एक कली थी बड़ी लजीली, किसी चमन में अकेली। एक कली थी बड़ी लजीली, किसी चमन में अकेली। आज खिल के वो फूल बन गई, आज खिल के वो फूल बन गई। चमन में है खलबली। एक कली थी बड़ी लजीली, किसी चमन में अकेली।
ये गीत श्रीमती प्रियंका विक्रम सिंह जी की पसंद पर आप सुन रहे थे। ये जो गाना मिल्टन मलवाराची की आवाज में था, फिल्म का नाम सिरिल माली, ये सिंहला फिल्म है। संगीतकार थे M.K. रोक्सामी, और ख़ास बात यह है कि इस गीत को लिखा था हमारे भूतपूर्व उद्घोषक रविलाल विमलधर्म जी।